How to add smooth zoom to mouse in OBS Studio and make your screen recordings look professional with smooth mouse follow zoom effects. Ever watch tutorial videos where the screen smoothly zooms exactly where the mouse moves and wondered how creators do it in OBS Studio? Today, I'll show you how to create that professional zoom to mouse effect in just a few minutes, completely free. First, open your browser. Search for OBS Zoom to Mouse. From the results, select OBS Lua Zoom to Mouse Ultimate 1.0.0 and download the script. Once the download is complete, open OBS Studio. Go to the top menu bar and click Tools. Then select Scripts. Inside the Scripts window, click the plus button to add a new script. Now select the downloaded Lua script file. After importing it, choose the source you want the zoom effect to use. Next, customize your settings. Adjust the zoom factor to control how close the zoom gets. Change the zoom speed to make the animation smoother or faster. And tweak the zoom multiplier until the movement feels perfect for your tutorials. Once everything looks good, close the scripts window. Now go to the File menu. Choose Settings. Select Hotkeys from the left panel. Scroll down until you find Toggle Zoom to Mouse. Click the empty box beside it and press the keyboard shortcut you want to use. Then click Apply and hit OK. And that's it. Now, whenever you press your hotkey, OBS Studio will smoothly zoom directly to your mouse position, like a professional tutorial creator. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more OBS and tutorial creator tips on the channel.